Get your DeLorean, get Doc, whatever his name was. Did Doc have a last name? I don't know. Doc, I think he had a last name. Okay, be Marty, get your hoverboard, have Doc get you in the DeLorean, pretend like no time had passed, right? Hey, Matt, it's Santosh over here at XYZ. Hey, something just came up I'd love to get your opinion on, right? Like, don't reference, hey, it's been 6 months since we talked. Because what they hear when you say it's been 6 months since you talked, you think you're conveying that you're on top of things. When they hear that, they go, there must be a reason why I've ghosted this guy for 6 months. I'm gonna keep ghosting him. Here's the other thing that ends up happening. And Derek, being a martial arts instructor, can testify to this. We're in our heads thinking that they're keeping track of everything. They don't. I suck at jiu-jitsu, and I'm a black belt. Because I realized these instructors aren't watching how sucky I am, and I'm like, oh my God, I missed this move, I did that, I got smashed by a blue belt. Like, they don't notice that. So don't call attention to the fact that they haven't called you back in 6 months. Just go for your thing, right? Hey, wanted to reach out to you personally, and you can repeat the same message over and over again. Don't repeat it every day. But if a couple months goes by, you can do this. Jen can do the same message again. I'm not keeping track of how many times Jen has called me. I have more important stuff going on in my life. But if Jen calls me and goes, hey Matt, we talked about 6 months ago and I haven't heard from you and I wanted to circle back and I wanted to follow up, I'm gonna be like, there must be a reason why I've ignored her. And now she's got to overcome that, if that makes sense. So just jump right back in. Hey, you're losing deals right now and you don't even know why. And that should scare you. I get it. You think you're saying the right things. You think you're doing everything by the book, but deals are slipping through your fingers. Why? Because nobody ever taught you the right way to sell. I'm Matt Easton, and at Easton University, I'll show you exactly what to say, exactly what to do, and exactly how to close more deals fast. You're going to get access to the Easton University Learning Portal. It's going to show you everything you need to know to double your sales within 30 days. But it doesn't stop there. I'm going to work with you live twice a week to make sure you hit your goals. I'm going to be there with you every single step of the way. Stop guessing and start closing. Click the link here and take control of your sales career right now.